Let me ask you one question. For how many years did you study English in school? Maybe 5 years, maybe 10 years, maybe 12 years. Now answer honestly. After studying English for more than a decade, can you confidently talk to a stranger in English for just 5 minutes? Most people can't. I think you are also not speaking. So just think about it. Why this happened with you or with me or everyone? So 12 years, thousands of classes, hundreds of exams, and thousands of vocabulary words, and still millions of Indians are afraid to speak English. But why? Do you know the reason? Do you want to know the reason? Have you ever searched? Have you ever think about this? No. Were you lazy? Are you lazy? No. No. Were your teachers bad? Not necessarily. Then what happened? And today I'm going to tell you something that may completely change the way you think about English learning. So your school did teach you English, but it didn't teach you spoken English. And that is a different. They teach you English, but they didn't teach you spoken English, how to speak English. And those are not always the same thing. So I'm telling you about your teacher before you get angry. So just listen carefully. This video is not about blaming schools. Schools have a difficult job. They have to teach reading, writing, literature, English grammar, exams, and many subjects to large classrooms. The problem is that this system often leaves very little time for regular speaking practice. So many students become good at passing English exams, but still hesitate to speak in real conversation and real speaking in front of any person. If this sounds like your experience, so keep watching. I'm gonna tell you part wise, like part 1 to 3, and you will understand very easily. So think back to your school days. What happened in English class? The teacher entered and open the book, and maybe he says just open the book and explain the grammar, ask students to underline difficult words. Maybe someone read one paragraph aloud. You also have you read it. I can remember I have also read it aloud. Then homework, then exam. So now tell me, how many classes did you spend having real conversation in English? How many times did you introduce yourself? How many debates? How many daily conversations? For many students, very few. Someone they have written, they have do this, but many students they have do like this. But some students they have just speak English well. They have to practice. That doesn't mean school was useless. So it means the focus was different. Schools are designed mainly to help students read, write, and succeed in exams. Fluent speaking usually needs much more conversation than most classrooms can provide. So guys, I hope you understand. Now let's talk about part 2. Imagine this. Suppose someone wants to become a great swimmer. Every day he reads books about swimming and he watches Olympic races videos. He memorized every swimming technique and he scored full marks in a swimming exam. But he never entered the water. This is the fact. Now tell me, will he become a swimmer? Of course not, because swimming is a skill and skill grows through practice. So English speaking works the same way. Grammar is important. Vocabulary is important. I'm not saying it's not important. Your school is best of time. I'm not saying. So, but if you are rarely speak, confidence doesn't grow. And now let's move to part number 3. Here's something interesting. When children learn their first language, nobody gives them grammar books first. And when he learns Hindi as but nobody tells him Hindi language like Khaga. Nobody teaches them tense before they speak, and they listen, they copy, they make mistake, they try again slowly, but they try again. They become fluent. Only later too they learn grammar in school. That tells us something important. Conversations plays a huge role in language learning. But here's the biggest surprise. Even if your school never gave you enough speaking practice, you can still fix it now. And you don't need expensive courses. In the next part of this video, I'll show you a simple system that can help you practice spoken English every day. Even if you don't have an English speaking partner,